series from Fitness Farm. My name is Sarah Adams. I'm the Program and Wellness Coordinator here, and you might say Chief Seeder. So we are in springtime here at Fitness Farm, and we're seeding all of our plant starts for our garden. And we thought we would put together a short video series for some pointers for you setting up and seeding your own home garden or community garden. So we'll do this in 5 parts. 5 short videos, hopefully densely packed with good nuggets for you to learn. The first one that we're going to do right now is talking about the soil. So what you're going to want if you're purchasing soil for your home garden is a seeding mix or a seed starting mix. We at Fitness Farm purchase soil in bulk and amenities in bulk, and so we have to mix our own. But most likely what you're going to see is a bag that says a seed starting mix, and that will have peat in it, which is this dark humus stuff. It'll have perlite in it. This is actually a volcanic glass and helps to lighten the soil and hold up some water, and it'll have vermiculite in it, and this is also another mineral that decomposes and releases nutrients to the plant. Helps to also lighten the soil and hold moisture. I have already pre-wetted this to mix it up because you don't really want to breathe in dry vermiculite or dry perlite as it creates a dust. So if we wet it first, then it's less likely to be dusty and get up into our lungs and nasal passages. So we would normally have done this seed starting workshop in person here at the farm, but we've got a big old coronavirus outbreak, global pandemic. You might have heard that. And so no in-person stuff, but we thought we would go ahead and put together this video series so that you still get at least some of the information. All right, that looks like a pretty good mix. This is most likely what your seed starting mix is going to look like right out of the bag once you have water on it. What we're looking for with regard to wetting is something that's pretty heavy and dense, and when you squeeze it, you might just get a couple of drops, but it also holds together. So that is just right. And now you're going to want it to put this soil into whatever you're seeding into. I'm going to rinse my hands real quickly so that I can handle the tool a little bit better. Here at the farm, we do so many. You might consider it more on the commercial side. So you may or may not have one of these tools at home. This is called a soil block. It comes in various sizes. This one's a 2-inch. And so you pack it full of soil. These little white nipples inside make a depression into the soil block. Pack it, and then there's a little spring to push those soil blocks out, and we put them into a tray. I'll show you what I mean. So we're just packing the soil in here as densely as we can, and then we place it into the tray, pull the spring, and we've got nice little soil blocks with this indentation that's ready-made for a seed. This particular tray holds 50 of these 2-inch soil blocks. And for time, we won't show you, we won't make you wait for me to fill up this whole tray. But that's the very beginnings of it. So at home, you might be wanting to put together something a little lower tech. So in that case, let's say you have a Dixie cup or egg carton, paper egg cartons, or peat pots maybe. You're still looking to form a nice dense ball or chunk of soil so that you can press it into whatever is holding on to the seed, like in the cup or something. And then you'll just make an indentation with your finger. So that's it for the first one. And we'll talk more on the second video. Thanks.